You almost had it.
Close. You're like the dog getting a squirrel. Yeah, you're gonna come up right behind him?
Oh, you're gonna be sneaky, aren't you? He'll never see it coming. Almost. You're like a cat in a flashlight. Oh, let's go tire her out. This is your chance. I think you're gonna get this one.
You're gonna try, guys.
I think this one you'll get. She almost had that one. Oh, she's definitely. Oh, those must be the slow ones.
Taylor, you need your shoes on. Shoes on. No, you need your shoes on first.